When discussing business software, Sage is a name that frequently comes up, particularly in the context of accounting and financial management. Businesses around the globe rely on Sage for everything from managing their ledgers to processing invoices. However, as organizations grow and their needs become more complex, the conversation often shifts beyond just finances to encompass human resources. This naturally leads to a crucial question. Is Sage a human resources information system, HRIS? As an accounting software expert with a deep understanding of business solutions, I can provide a clear and nuanced answer. Yes, Sage offers a range of solutions that include HRIS functionalities, but it's important to understand the scope and how it integrates with their core accounting offerings. Sage isn't just one single software. It's a portfolio of products designed to meet various business needs, and within that portfolio, human resources information systems play a significant role. Understanding what an HRIS is. Before we dive deeper into Sage's offerings, let's briefly define what an HRIS is. A human resources information system, HRIS, is a software solution that helps businesses manage, store, and process their employee-related data. Think of it as a central hub for all things HR. A good HRIS typically includes modules for employee data management, storing personal details, contact information, job history, performance reviews, etc., payroll processing, calculating salaries, taxes, deductions, and generating paychecks, time and attendance tracking, recording employee work hours, absences, and overtime, benefits administration, managing health insurance, retirement plans, and other employee benefits, recruitment and onboarding, tracking applicants, managing interviews, and streamlining the hiring process, performance management, setting goals, conducting appraisals, and tracking employee development, learning and development, managing training programs and skill development, compliance reporting, generating reports to meet regulatory requirements. The goal of an HRIS is to automate and streamline HR processes, reduce manual paperwork, improve data accuracy, and provide valuable insights into a company's workforce. Sage's HRIS offerings. Sage recognized early on that managing people is just as crucial as managing money for a successful business. Therefore, they have developed and acquired various solutions to cater to HR needs, often integrating them with their accounting platforms. Here are some of Sage's key HRIS-related offerings. Sage HR, formerly Cake HR, Sage People HR, etc. This is often the primary dedicated HRIS solution offered by Sage. It's designed to manage the entire employee lifecycle, from recruitment and onboarding to performance management and offboarding. Sage HR typically includes modules for employee profiles, leave management, expense management, performance reviews, and more. It aims to be a comprehensive solution for managing human capital. Sage Payroll Solutions. Many of Sage's core accounting products, such as Sage 50 Cloud, Sage 100 Cloud, and Sage 300 Cloud, include robust payroll processing capabilities. While payroll is often considered a financial function, it is inherently tied to HR. These payroll modules handle wage calculations, tax deductions, direct deposits, and compliance reporting, all of which are critical aspects of an HRIS. For smaller businesses, a strong payroll module within their accounting software might be sufficient for their basic HR needs. Integrated suites, e.g., Sage Intacct for larger or more complex organizations. Sage offers ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, solutions like Sage Intacct, which primarily focuses on financial management. However, these systems often integrate seamlessly with third-party HRIS solutions or have more advanced HR modules available as add-ons. This approach allows businesses to leverage best-in-breed HR functionality while maintaining a unified view of their financial and operational data. Industry-specific solutions. Sage also provides solutions tailored to specific industries. These often include integrated HR and payroll features that meet the unique demands of those sectors, such as construction, manufacturing, or nonprofit organizations. The accounting expert's perspective. Integration is key. From an accounting software expert standpoint, the real value of Sage's HRIS capabilities lies in their integration. The seamless flow of data between HR and accounting functions is paramount for accuracy, compliance, and efficiency. Payroll to general ledger. When payroll is processed within or alongside Sage accounting software, employee salaries, taxes, and deductions can be automatically posted to the general ledger. This eliminates manual data entry, reduces errors, and ensures that financial statements accurately reflect labor costs. Time tracking to project costing. If time and attendance data from an HRIS module can be linked to project management and accounting, businesses can accurately track labor costs per project, which is crucial for profitability analysis and client billing. Employee data for reporting. Having employee data readily available and linked to financial records allows for more comprehensive reporting, such as labor cost analysis, departmental budgeting, and workforce planning.